The Italian word for a male winner is
vincitore,
masculine plural.
vincitori,
If you're talking about a female, this becomes
vincitrice,
feminine plural.
vincitrici.
A useful way to remember this word is to think of the English terms victor or invincible.
Vincitore, vincitrice. Il vincitore del torneo ha donato tutto il premio in denaro a un'organizzazione di beneficenza.
The winner of the tournament donated all the prize money to charity. In addition to being nouns, vincitore and its feminine equivalent can also function as adjectives that mean winning or victorious. They can be used to describe both people and things. For example,
Il giocatore vincitore,
the winning player,
la squadra vincitrice,
the winning team,
i cavalli vincitori,
the winning horses,
le carte vincitrici.
the winning cards. In this case, it's possible to substitute vincitore with the adjectives
Vincente,
or
vittorioso. Salire sul carro del vincitore.
to get on the winner's chariot, to jump on the bandwagon.
Non ci sono né vincitori né vinti.
There aren't winners or losers.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.